Hello everyone, it is Mary here. This is an update for my 18 and 2018 lip edition. I'm sorry this is late, but it's been a little hectic in my house. Well, not really my house, but like school. And I'm a busy person as well. And I'm sorry, I'm really bad at updating these things. But I have been using these lipsticks. Also, another thing I forgot to do after the video, I forgot to write down the grams of how much these were at the starting point. And I forgot to make all of my markings on a piece of paper. So I have done that now. I'm so sorry. I don't know. I don't know what happened to me in that department, but anyway, let's just go ahead and start with the things that I'm decluttering. We're getting out of my collection. I've realized I don't like, or the packaging is broken. Actually, one of them, it was the L'Oreal lipstick in Taupe, the infallible paint. I gave that to my mom because she wore it one day and it looked amazing on her. So, thanks, Mom, for getting that off my hands. But the next one is this Wet n Wild lipstick in Vamp It Up. I absolutely love this dark purple color. And honestly, I probably will purchase it again because it's $2 or $3. And I don't want to spend more than that on a shade like this. But like I said if any of the packaging broke on these, then I would just chunk them, and the lid completely like crapped out. So this is going. And then the last one is this Balm Stain. And first of all, this is just really not a flattering shade on me. Like, I like the color. Here, I'll show you. I like the color of it when it is actually like there, but the stain is like this really bright pink, and that is a little like more on the pink side. So I mean, I just don't know, it just turns into this like really bright pink, and I'm not about that life. I'm a brown lipstick girl, like mauves. Like, that's a mauve, not a pink. And it just, plus, when I wear a balm stain like this, it's because my lips are dry, and because, balm. And this just really dried out my lips and made them like really cracked, and they hurt. So, yeah. Those are the ones that I'm decluttering. Sorry I couldn't show you that other one. But I used it probably like 2 weeks straight and then left it in the bathroom, and Mom started wearing it. And I was like, you need that in your life. Because I sure don't. Anyway, let's just get on to the rest of them. I can't really show you how much I've used, but I can show you where they are now. So I have 3 lip liners. I can kind of show you a comparison to these two from this one because, excuse me, I haven't touched this one yet because this is the shade that I like to use in the summertime. This is Tawny. This is a Jordana Easy Liner. I'm going to put that down because I've broken many of these. But, yeah. Well, this one, I've used this once because they all go right above the lip. Anyway, the point. So that one on my little sheet here is right here. So in comparison to these, I have used these a little bit. I struggle with remembering to use lip liners. I'm wearing Rock and Rose. Is that this one? Yeah, I'm wearing this one today. So these are basically at the same point. And I'm wearing this underneath a lip gloss. I'm not going to hold these up to the paper because they're too fragile. And then this one's in Baby Berry. And this one's more of a summertime shade for me too because it is more pink, and I tend to wear more pink shades in the summer. Okay, what's next on this list? I'm trying to stay to this. Oh, Lust for Blush. My Maybelline lipsticks were probably some of my most used lipsticks for the month of January. Just because these are colors that I gravitate towards. But, oh well, not this one as much as the other two. But, you can see that it is right there. It's hard to line these up. Anyway. And, oh, I am dropping things. But I really love this lipstick formula. And I don't know if I'll rebuy this shade specifically, but I know I definitely will rebuy Touch of Spice, which is right here. This was definitely my most used lipstick of January. I absolutely love this lip color. This is the lip color that I go to when I don't know what lip color to wear. And this is my second tube, because I tried to go with that, although I think I have found a dupe for it. I think I haven't really tested it out as much, but yeah, I love that lipstick. Oh, I'm not gonna hold it up to the paper. Oh, I'm making a mess. Touch of Spice, it is right there. And then this Maybelline Great Over. I've probably worn this like 6 times. I don't wear dark lipstick. Oh, that's a lie. I do wear dark lipstick, but not this dark. A whole lot. It's a really pretty brown color, and it looks great on me, and I like it. I like it. That one is right here. Now, CoverGirl lipsticks. I didn't use these this past month. Well, no, I used this one once. This nude color. I used that one once, but I didn't really touch this one just because I was wearing my Touch of Spice. But this is another color. I think I've already swatched this in the first video, but I'm going to swatch it again. This is another color that I gravitate towards more in the summertime just because it is more pink. But I really do like shades like this, and I don't think I really have that many anymore. A lot of my lipsticks went bad, which is why I decided to do this project. But that is the second one that I showed you in KP07, and then KP01 was the nude color, so there are those two. And then the last two lipstick like bullet forms that I can measure like that are my two Wet n Wild lipsticks. I used this one twice, and I didn't use this one all. And I used this one once. That's a lie. So there's not really, I mean, I can roll them out. This one's in Mocha Licious. This is the lipstick that turned me on to brown lipsticks. It's the first one I ever bought. I thought this was like the prettiest color ever. It's gorgeous. And then this one, I don't know, it's like raisin something if I'm remembering correctly. Come on. And that's right there. It takes forever to roll up and down these lipsticks. Anyway, this is the one that I have no idea. I don't know. It's raisin something. I guess I probably could look it up. And then this one is Mochalicious. And yes, I do write in cursive, if you're wondering. It's a not used talent anymore. Anyway, next, I decided, about 30 minutes ago when I was doing all this, because I realized I needed to do this update and had a little bit of time to film, that I didn't really have a way of showing how I used all of these, like, bottled lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, because I did bring in some lip glosses. Like, I just had no way of showing that, so I decided, I'm surprised I remember how many times I used all of these in January, but I'll just show you. you know, like after the name to put the, I kind of decided this after I wrote it, but what am I trying to say? The month, and then put tally marks of how many times that I used it, like that. So, like for instance, Rebel Rose, I used that one 3 times. Coral Corruption, I didn't use it all, just because it's coral. I don't wear coral in the winter. Berry Recognize, that's nice to fuchsia. Nice to fuchsia. Honestly, why did I buy both of these shades? I'm really kind of beating myself up at this. Like, why did I buy both of these shades? They are so similar. Like, one is a little bit more pink than the other. Anyway, that's me. Every time I look at that, I'm like, why Mary? I mean, I get these are $5 or $4.63 if you get them at Walmart. But still, anyway, I used Berry Recognize once. I didn't use Nice to Fuchsia at all. Didn't even touch it. Didn't think about it. It was not on my mind. And then Mochalicious, I used twice. And this isn't just like used like one day. This is every time I, like, even if I reapplied. So those are all of the ones from, let me get this on my hand before I, those are all of the ones that I added, or that were in the original video. Now the ones that I'm rotating in, you know, because I decluttered 3, I want to continue working on 18 lip products. What am I trying to say? I'm sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. I need caffeine. So I have this Tarte lip paint. This is a deluxe size sample in Rosé. I haven't used this yet in the month of February, but this is a really pretty color. I'm going to swatch all these for you. This is just like a go-to color for me. I really like the formula of it. It's right there. The next thing I have is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Kristen. This is the same brown lip gloss. It's what I'm wearing today under, well, first I have the Rock and Rose lip liner, and then I have this thing in, this is the Rebel Rose color, and then I put that gloss on top just so I could get some use out of more lip products than just putting the liquid lipstick on. And then, oh, and I've used that one 3 times so far in the month of January, no, February. And then the last one I have here is this Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Sugar Sugar, or Sugar Sugar, is how it's, oh, I love the smell of it. It's like, it just smells good. It just smells good. So that is everything. I'm sorry I'm extremely scatterbrained right now. I wasn't scatterbrained when I started this video. So I don't know what happened in the span of the 14 minutes. But anyway, I'm going to sign off. I have to go to class now in about 20 minutes. So I will see you later, guys. Bye.